It's a membership society, one of the oldest scientific societies in Africa, that is democratically governed and works to save species, conserve sites and habitats, promote ecological sustainability, and empower people to take action for biodiversity conservation in Kenya. Nature Kenya believes nature conservation is not a choice, but an obligation. The work of Nature Kenya involves working with local communities and the government. For local communities, Nature Kenya works with institutions called site supporting groups. These are local conservation groups that are present in 19 different places distributed across the country, from western to central to the coast. And wherever they work, Nature Kenya stands by their side to build their leadership and governance capacity, communication and advocacy, to engage with the government and hold the government accountable for its mandate to the people to conserve biodiversity conservation.